Hi there, welcome back. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to install tempered glass on your mobile phone screen. So let's begin. Number 1, clean your mobile phone screen with soft microfiber cloths. Remove any dust particle from your mobile phone screen. And now align the tempered glass on your mobile phone. Take a reference point which help you to install this tempered glass. Now peel off the glue cover. Very gently. And now install tempered glass showing as tutorial. Be careful during install this tempered glass. Set the tempered glass according to your reference point. And pull out the glue cover and leave it. As you can see, all the air between tempered glass and screen will be removed and tempered glass has been installed. It is done, guys. Just press lightly with the microfiber cloth to remove any bubble or any dust on your screen. I hope guys this video will definitely help you. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.